Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to Airplay on PC. To begin, you will need to install a dedicated third-party application on your Windows computer. This software acts as a bridge, enabling your PC to receive content wirelessly from your Apple devices, such as an iPhone, iPad, or Mac. Without this specific type of program, your PC cannot natively interpret the Airplay signal. It's a straightforward process that opens up many possibilities for sharing media. When selecting your Airplay receiver software, it's crucial to choose a reputable option. Applications like AirServer or 5K Player are popular choices, known for their stability and performance. Always check for compatibility with your specific Windows version, whether it's Windows 10 or 11. Many of these programs offer a free trial, allowing you to test their features and ensure they meet your needs before making any commitment. This step is vital for a smooth experience. Once you have chosen your preferred Airplay receiver, the next step is installation. Download the software directly from the official developer's website to ensure authenticity and security. During installation, pay close attention to any prompts, especially those regarding firewall access. You'll need to grant permission for the application to function correctly. After installation, launch the program. It typically runs quietly in your system tray, ready to receive Airplay signals from your Apple devices. With the software running on your PC, you're ready to start streaming. First, confirm that both your Apple device and your Windows computer are connected to the exact same Wi-Fi network. On your Apple device, access the Control Center or System Settings, then locate the screen mirroring or Airplay icon. A list of available receivers will appear. Simply select your PC's name from this list. Your content should then wirelessly appear on your computer screen, ready for viewing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.